Hi everyone, it's me Louis and welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your collection pages inside your Shopify store with the help of PageFly PageBuilder. So if you've been thinking of doing exactly that, then stay tuned for this video. Alright, so we're back here inside the PageFly dashboard. So remember, if you haven't installed this, you can use the referral link in my description below. Of course, that's a referral link that you'll be using and I'll get a commission if you sign up for a paid plan. So in my last video, I showed you how you could customize your product pages to bring a little bit of the product USPs and features for your customers. Today, I'm going to show you how you can do a similar thing for your collection pages. Here's how you do it. So first, look at the left-hand side. You'll find the collection pages here. So remember, the idea is that these are the page types. So you want to click on the page type that you want to edit. So in my previous video, it was the product pages, and so in this video, it will be the collection pages. Okay, so click on the collection pages. So if you haven't set up any collection pages yet inside PageFly, you'll come to this page where you'll be prompted to set up a new page from scratch. Okay, here, create a new page from scratch, or you can create a new page from templates. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go with the create a new page from scratch. But just to give you a preview of what this means, okay, so just has some pre-built pages here that you could use. Okay, if this is for collection pages, just go to collection pages and you already have a couple that you could use. All right, so let's come here and create a new page. Okay, so the reason why I prefer creating the pages from scratch is just to show you how flexible it is, and if you want to build something unique for your collection pages, you can do that quite easily. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to name the page. Okay, so just name it based on the collection that you want to edit. So here I want to edit my shirts collection page, so shirts collection here. Okay, and then let's choose the page. Okay, which collection page are you going to apply these customizations to? Or you can do that by coming here, these three little dots, and then go to page settings. Okay, and then from here, choose type. Here you can see that you have the page assignment, which is the specific page that you want to apply this customization to. Click on select collections. Okay, so here you'll see all your collections. Choose the one that you want to apply it to. For me, it's the shirts. Okay, then just save that. Okay, then once you're done here, make sure to publish the page first. Okay, this, okay, publish page. Alright, so please note that okay, got it. Yep. Alright, so now let's try to add some custom elements to this page. So to quickly show you what's the areas that you can add customizations to, I'll use these pre-made sections here. So if you want to access the pre-made sections, just click on this section, the add section, and then go for the collection suggestions. Okay, so here actually you can add customizations to the top and bottom area of this collection page. Okay, so to show you what I mean, just drag something to the bottom. Okay, so this is something that will show up after your collection page, the collection list. Okay, and then you can also add something on the top as well. Alright, so if you're done adding the custom elements to the collection page, what you can do to just check it out is to first save the page. Okay, and then check the preview. Okay, so as we can see, doesn't quite work out. Let's try publishing that and then checking out the actual live page. Okay, so it seems to work here. So as you can see, there are the sections that I added earlier on top, and then the other section at the bottom. Okay, so this is if you were to add the sections from the pre-made ones that are already available inside PageFly. So now I'm going to show you how you can build these sections using the elements instead. Okay, so let's come back here, then remove these. Okay, so once you've removed the sections, then what you want to do, if you want to use these elements inside PageFly to build your own sections, is to first add a layout. Okay, so come here to the add elements and then look for layout. So again, you have a lot of different layouts to choose from. So if you want a complete row without any division, then go for this 1/1. And then if you want two equally divided columns, then you want to go for the half and half, and so on. Okay, so usually for the top banner, I do see most people would either go for the 1 or the half and half. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm gonna go with the 1. Okay, just drag that and drop there, and then maybe I want to add some information after this collections list. Okay, maybe I'll go for this half and half here. Alright, so super easy to do that. Okay, so once you've added the layouts, you can now start dropping elements you want to see in those sections from the elements library. Okay, so for the header right on top of the collections page, most of the time you want to add an image. Okay, so maybe this is a some promotion that you want to highlight on top. Okay, and then maybe this is a specific sale that's going on for a limited time. You can add a countdown to it. Okay, so countdown. Oops, I'm gonna want to add it down here. Okay, so you have these two, and then we want to move it to the center. Okay, so you can configure these yourself. Okay, it's pretty easy. Click on the image to change it. Okay, just choose an image from here. Okay, maybe I'll just choose one. This was from our last tutorial. Okay, any image that you want, maybe the banner that you've created specifically for this particular collection. Okay, or okay, so you can get this configured as well. So let's say this is a limited sale and it's ending like tomorrow. Okay, so gonna do that. All right, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, it will start to count. All right, so let's go to the section at the bottom of the collections page. Again, you can also add anything you want. Maybe if you want to say, add some special deals information, you can also do that. Or you want to recommend them to other lists. Okay, you can also do that as well. So these are some of the options that you have. Okay, so let's for the sake of this example, add some headings in here. Okay, super easy. Let's put another one here. Okay, but you can like drag anything you want actually. Like a tab if you want that. Yeah, you could go in here as well. Okay, so the idea is that you can just use, combine these layouts and elements to create really custom designs for any of your collection pages. Alright, so that's it for my quick tutorial on how you can add custom elements to your collection pages. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and want more, make sure to stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to customize your home pages with PageFly in my next tutorial. So if you've enjoyed this video or learned something from it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more content from me, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.